stop. You know that feeling? You're really in the mood for a change, but the only thing truly creative is your excuses. You know what I mean. The project that you keep putting off. The spring cleaning that you postpone every year. The room that you've been meaning to redecorate for ages. If you know that feeling, let me reassure you, I have the right products for you. And with them, it's time to say, change it. Because the time for excuses is over. How easy! With paint spray systems, spray guns, patio and decking cleaners, wallpaper steamers, heat guns, steam cleaners. Change it with just one click. Whatever was holding you back is over. Tackle your project. Make it easier, faster, better, nicer, or even smarter. Transform yourself and your home when, how, or wherever you like, whether all at once or bit by bit. Believe in yourself, get it on and change it!